Okay, we walk up all the way.
Yeah.
Okay.
ขอบคุณมากค่ะ
And we'll share the steps going down. It's probably more like 300 steps. But it's dark outside still. We got an early start coming. Oh, you can ride an elevator if you so choose. Yeah, they have an elevator. Sorry, it's still dark outside, so we can't see anything. Luckily it's all well lit in here. So our walk up, we'll share now. The walk down the steps, we'll share when we leave after daylight. And the rest of it, obviously, we'll share after daylight.
He just
So I'm having a little Thai English translation issue with the guy downstairs. So it was 30 baht each,
yeah,
including the socks.
No, 30 baht, it means 20 baht for socks.
Oh,
10
okay.
baht for shoes. If
Oh.
someone have
And then
socks,
how much is the fee to come in?
nothing, only this.
Oh, it's free. You just have to buy shoes and socks.
Yeah.
And the socks they
20
sell you are 20 baht, new socks, and they're really stretchable, so they fit my feet.
Very nice.
Well, it's too bad you can't see anything. Well, hopefully this DJI shows it better than my other phones have.
Show the view.
So we'll see it. We will video it after daylight.
Good exercise in the morning.
So it's after 6 a.m. I don't think the sun's going to come up until 7, and I'm afraid it'll be raining. I think we've gone up 4 levels, 1 to go.
You can sit here too if you are
Oh
tired.
yeah, resting places for the old folk.
Yeah.
That's nice. Did you see that below on the other levels?
Oh, they have an elevator.
You see the sky starting to lighten up, but it's covered with clouds. You can see the view below. Now we were told to get here for sunrise, that it's a beautiful sunrise. You're not going to see it. All the clouds. Our drive coming up here yesterday was terrible. Heavy rains, slippery road. I'll probably share a little piece of the drive at least, so you'll see driving across from Chumpon to Ranong on that 4005 highway. It's a beautiful drive, but it was a shame that it was ruined by the weather. Well, if it starts raining, we can go down to the next level down. It's got a covered roof. The roof here is not so covered.
Nice, huh?
Yeah, beautiful.
Oh, here and this is the side. At 6 a.m. still dark.
Yeah, so the sun up, we're not going to see. The clouds are going to share that with you for sure. We're at the Ranong Skywalk. It's sun is starting to try to come up now, but as you can see, the clouds are going to block that from us. It's an amazing view up here. It's kind of cool coming out of the mountains in a lot of areas, like that point right over there. You can't see it, is there's cars coming out and the road's lit up. And Ranong is a bigger city than I thought it was, also because it's all scattered up here in the hills. When we were looking from down on the highway, I thought, oh my goodness, it's just a tiny little town. And the highway, I think, is those real well lit up road down there. But look at all the homes up here in the trees. And there's a King's, I don't know what you call it, a place they built for the, I think it was King Rama 5, 6, and 7. It's over here on this opposite side. You have to hire tours to go visit. But it looks like it's worth a visit if you wanted to call ahead and make reservations.
Nice weather.
Yeah, it is. It's a little bit humid. It's not real bad. I haven't started really sweating.
So beautiful.
And like I told you already, we're getting robbed of the sunrise.
The weather is.
Yeah, but it's still pretty here. Yesterday didn't get much lighter than this all day long. It was so heavy, dark clouds and raining so bad.
But the weather, channel said 8 a.m. gonna rain soon.
Wow.
Still safe now.
Way down there.
Wow.
So if you're handicapped and you want to come up here, you can. They'll pick you up down at the bottom and bring you up. The road keeps circling down all the way to the bottom where they can pick up the handicapped to bring them up here. This is where the steps start. So it's more than the 60 he said. We saw this walking up, but couldn't tell what it was. It was dark here. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's just over 100 steps, and it's surprising to me. I thought it was more than that going up there, actually. More higher elevation, so it makes it a little harder climbing.
It's on Khao Nivet Mountain.
Well, we hope you enjoyed the content today. We're in Ranong, Thailand. Buddy cop. So it was worth our wait here for them to open up. We wanted to get up early and get on the road because we're got a long ways to go, a lot to see still. But this was worth our visit. Anyhow, if you like our content, please reach down to the bottom down here, mash the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything. It helps our channel. This is Bobby and Jai with time to get going. We're out.